Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Under the Night Moon, and I'm here to do some flip-throughs for you today of the envelope books that I have for my Etsy shop. I have 4 of these total, so I'm going to start with this one first. One of my favorite images of all time to use for the cover. And then all of these are backed with a pretty cardstock so that they're very durable. Perfect to write a note if this is going to be a gift or if there's a theme to the book as well. Beautiful cabbage roses, pretty rhinestone cameo, some velvet flowers, printed papers, and a wax seal of a cameo, and then I just put some gold on there, satin ribbons, laces. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it has to do with hazelnuts, which I love, and so I just thought it looked really pretty there. Beautiful mother of pearl button, seam binding also too. These books are made from 4 envelopes, and they're covered front to back with heavy-duty cardstock that I print in my studio, and then I just pack them full of tags, places for you to journal. There's all kinds of tuck spots. I try to make sure that I utilize all of the space in these books so that there's a lot of journaling spaces for you and places for you to put photographs. This one has a little policy envelope that I created here, and then I just like to use a mixture of different papers, some vintage writing, there's scrapbook papers, there's things that I've printed on regular paper, copy paper, this is actually drawer liner paper right here, and some music papers, and then you've got all this space to write on the back. So that is that. I'm going to try to go quickly so these don't take so long. And then I always do a tuck spot behind. I have lots of trims, ribbons, embroidered trims. These books are always super feminine and just, you know, made for your, you know, your beautiful things. Scraps of fabric, you know, maybe you have a favorite dress and you don't want to save the whole dress. You know, you can cut a small piece of it and do a little swatch like here. You can just attach it to one of these beautiful cards, and of course you can write about it on the back. I also always think these books would make beautiful wedding gifts for a teacher, daughter, granddaughter, even a teenager. I always think teenagers would do so well working with their hands and creating and maybe being inspired to learn about different fabrics and, you know, maybe Google images of the days gone by. So pretty, so beautiful. Women were really just so beautiful, and the men also. So that's a quick little, you know, ideas for these books that I love to make. This is a little double pocket here. So it has this little pocket with a matching tag. So pretty. You've got all this space to journal. And then I added a few things to this pocket here. Just some really pretty rose paper little tag. This gorgeous image here, a mother with her 2 baby daughters, so pretty. And then I made another little pocket behind this rose here, holding a little label in this fun little dress form. Super feminine. Lots of charms. This has a little crown here. There's top loading pockets and side loading pockets. And the side loading pockets, I try to make sure I put a little ribbon or something there so you can pull it out easy and also just kind of know it's there. And then I also like to do these little flip ups. They're just fun. You can do some secretive writing here and here, and then you can store maybe pictures and stuff in the pocket. And then all of these books come with notepads. This one has 2. So the one in here, and then there's always one in the back as well. And again, I just try to make sure I give you lots of beautiful ephemera pieces, handmade charms, which I make myself. Hopefully you can see this. Am I close? Maybe I'll just come a little closer. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. Sorry. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so just lots of ribbons, trims, pearls. I forget what I was saying, but I just try to make sure that you have plenty of things to use. Now these books always, oh, excuse me, these books always come with a little envelope full of extra goodies. Wrapping and shipping is one of my favorite parts of my Etsy shop. So you can see here's some fun pink copy paper. And there's a little pocket in the back here. Again, more journaling. I just put this sweet little bird tag in there, but plenty of room for more things. You've got a wallpaper sample up here. It's printed wallpaper. Lots of room in these for more. You can kind of see the envelopes in there, but you can store plenty of pictures and things in there. And then here's the side loading pocket there. And then on the back, these are all signed with my signature right there. So that is the flip through of the first envelope little book here. You can see the side and the top. Just really, really pretty. You can see how pretty it just looks here on my desk. Super feminine, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop tomorrow. So I'm doing all the videos today, kind of give you guys a chance to look at everything, and then if you're interested, everything will be in my Etsy shop tomorrow, and hopefully the sun will be out, so I'll have good pictures. And I will try to do that in the first part of the day, hopefully. So yeah, so that is flip through number 1. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with my work, and also subscribe here and do the notification bell if you want to see what's new coming out, as you'll get a notification. So thank you so much, and have a really wonderful day. Bye-bye.